Hold up, bro. Start over. Okay.
So I'm gonna eat this shit. Some nasty breath, sorry.
This nigga gonna eat this shit. Eat it, bro. Are you gonna eat all of it, motherfucker? He spit all the. Oh my god. World star. Let me get that shit.
Nasty as hell, bro.
Let me get that weed.
I didn't get the weed.
Is that where you bit it?
Yeah.
Oh, bro, rip it off. You're gonna rip it all off. Alright, I'm gonna eat this shit now?
Let me see.
Nope. My phone? Alright, I'm gonna eat this now.
Is it good? Does it taste good? Pause. Was it hard? Pause. Was it sweet? Pause. Is it hard? Pause. Was it hard to swallow? Pause.
I still have something about that. Oh. Well, as you can see, I spit a lot out. That's my house over there. That's his house over there. It's the trees.
I have a tree house, bro.
Tree house. Amazing. Oh my god, that was nasty. Hey, Barlis. Sheppy! Hi, Chippy. Look, say hi to the camera. You're welcome. What a goose! What is that thing?
Yeah.
For what?
There's water coloring.
Oh, amazing. My living room. Amazing. Hi, Dad. Hi, guys. I'm gonna wait. Yeah. Hey, ma'am.
Hi, mijo.
What you doing?
¿Cómo le fue?
¿Qué está haciendo de comer?
Carnita doradita o pollo.
I'm recording.
You recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, you recording. Ese es un...
Is it gonna be good? Alright, I'm gonna go. Art. Alright. So this is my outside area. Everything you need to know about my life. I'll never go out there. Well, sometimes. Alright, time for the main attraction. Bam. My room. That's the light. That's my bed. Slash couch. How amazing is that? My closet thingamajigger. All my stuffs. All my stuff's over there. That guy. All my clothes. I know my room is a mess. Oh, let me just leave my backpack here. Alright, so mostly the whole episode was the plant eating thing. Ugh, it was disgusting. Like at first it was disgusting, but then after it just soured for some reason. Oh, it was nasty. Alright. Oh. So yeah. I'm gonna pause it real quick.